Hi everyone, my name is Salman Bashir and I'm going to present some initial slides of milestone 4, and here are my group members, and we are very much excited to present our finding on income distribution among demographics and the vital role of education in shaping economic structure. Our presentation will correlate between education and income levels, shedding light on actionable insights to address income disparities. Without further delay, let's just begin our journey. So next we have our outline, and in this outline you can see we have our main title, in which I will explain out why we selected the title, and next the data exploration, some research questions on which we have created some charts as well, some principal attributes, and finally on all our analysis we have recommended some recommendation and come to a conclusion. For the results, we have some charts based on our research questions and final dashboard, which we will present you in a few seconds. So just think, does education crafts our wealth? So unveiling the economic landscapes. At the, at the heart of our analysis lies the US Census data, which is a rich in structure of socioeconomic and information, capturing in the information about demographic factors. Our exploration is driven by the income distribution trends, some crucial information for decision making in policy formulation and social program development as well. The census as a primary data source provides detailed insights into the demographic and economic, like social dynamics, enabling a comprehensive understanding of income disparities. So as we dive into our data set, we have observations that underscores the significance of education in shaping economic outcome. So if we see, if I talk about my data, so we have different kinds of data in our data set, like income, age, education, working class, their relationship, are they married, single, their working class, which working class they belong to, which gender they belong to, what they do in their life, like occupation, uh, what they have gained in terms of capital, in terms of capital, and uh, and what is their native country. So uh, we will give analysis based on all these data set. Before digging into deep analysis of our research questions and research, let me just give you an overview of my dashboard. So this is our final dashboard, and you just have to click on what education level you want to see, what you want to see. If you want to see for undergraduates, where how their pay level is, are they married or not, what's their relationship is, what's the relationship with which country they're coming from, and like what's the occupation is, how high they have scale in life. So our dashboard will help you understanding all these. You just have to click and you will find out our analysis seeks to unveil the underlying patterns of correlation, disparities in income distribution among various demographics in the US, as revealing by the adult census data we used. So these insights are instrumental in addressing economic inequalities and informing policies, ensuring equitable growth and opportunities for opportunity distribution. One of the focus point of our analysis involves around the role of education and uh, income and our relationship that emerge as a key determinant of economic factor. By 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 discussing these data, we aim to these data and these charts, we aim to take some actionable insights that can drive positive change and foster inclusive economic growth.
Hi, I'm Jamwin and I will present the next part. Firstly, we made extensive use of the STAR principle, particularly similarity and proximity. Similarity allows us to create a cohesive visual language by using consistent color scheme and shape. This helps us group similar data, categorize together, make complex data sets more comprehensible for audience. Additionally, proximity play a significant role in our design. We cluster information related to specific research questions together, making it easier for our audience to process and recognize patterns. The next is about the pre-attentive. We strategically utilize color to draw attention to critical data points such as income level above and below the $50,000. This immediate visual cue allows to quickly recognize and compare key insights without needing to focus their attention explicitly. Furthermore, we employ distinct shapes to represent different demographic groups. By doing so, we enable rapid visual differentiation without need for textual labels, enhancing the clarity and accessibility of the information presented. And about the objective, this dataset aims to explore income levels based on various demographic and employment factors. Understanding income distribution is crucial as it sheds light on economic disparities and informs decision making in policy and social program development. The census serves as a critical source of detailed demographic, economic, and social data, providing invaluable insights into our society. By analyzing this dataset, we aim to gain a deeper understanding of the dynamics at play within the U.S. economy and society, empowering U.S. to make more informed decision making moving forward. Our dataset is sourced from U.S. Census data and focus on adult income, specifically aimed at predicting whether an individual earns more or less than $50,000 per year. As we dive into this data, several initial observations come to light. First of all, education appears to have a significant influence on income levels, with higher educational attainment correlating with higher income. On top of that, there is noticeable variation in income across different work classes, highlighting disparities in earning potential among various occupations. Then, gender also emerged as a factor, with evidence of income disparity between male and female earners. And last but not least, age seems to correlate with earnings potential, suggesting that older individuals tend to earn more on average. So from that, we aim to explore the role of education in income. To understanding these dynamics is crucial for addressing economic inequality and informing policy making, thereby ensuring more equitable growth and opportunity distribution across the population.
How does the percentage of individuals earning over 50K income vary across different occupations? Highest executive managerial positions, which is 25.73%. The lower earnings occupations, private household services, are 0.01%. The data illustrates the education-wealth relationship. Occupations require specialized skills tend to earn higher percentage, it's 50K and above, and that aligns with our data findings. Which education level has the highest median income? The highest education level, which is 2,221 bachelors. The lowest earnings occupation, which is preschool, which is from grade 1 to 4, is 52. The relationship to the main sentence is the information identifies there is a direct relationship between income and education. The income level over 50K of education has higher education qualifications. How does the level of education correlate with average income across different work classes and genders? Federal government jobs typically offer higher, more stable incomes. Level of experience and education attainment shows higher ages in more stable government work, which would imply that older individuals with more education have secured these positions. The chart is a scatter plot matrix showing the average age of hours worked broken down into the working classes and gender. How does the work hours vary across different work classes? Self-employment witnesses the highest working hours, 48 to 49 hours per week. The state government employs the lowest, which is between 38 to 39 hours. The relationship to the main sentence is the work-life work balance. Education may influence employees' attributes towards work-life balance. Those with high levels of education might prioritize this work-life balance.